Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself and your family. I hope that you're in a good condition while watching my video. I am Jeanette Tiabo, 29 years old, a graduate of Bachelor in Science in Nursing. I am married with no children. I am the second in the family. I experienced work as domestic helper in the Philippines for 2 years. They are 4 in the family, 2 adults and 2 children. One is 3 years old and the other is 6 years old.
Okay, so can you tell me your duties and responsibilities when you work as a local maid here in the Philippines?
I feed the children, I send them and I fetch them from school. I do the laundry and I do the cooking.
Okay, so before you become a babysitter, correct? You've been also working in a statistical researcher
Yes,
or an NSO here in the province as office staff, correct?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for how long you've been working as that?
For a month.
For a month you've been working. Okay, so you are a graduate of Bachelor's of Science in Nursing. Did you take an exam?
No, ma'am.
So you didn't have a license?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but before you have an experience working in the hospital?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so meaning to say you're very well experienced in taking care of the newly born baby and the elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take a vital signs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so meaning to say you're very well experienced in terms of this,
Yes.
like taking care of the newborn baby, taking care of the bedridden patients.
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
can you manage to do injections?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you can monitor all the vital signs of the patients, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what kind of food can you cook?
Filipino dishes.
Like what?
Adobo.
Okay, like for example, if I will give you a menu or a recipe, can you manage to follow and cook it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the first time that you want to be there in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
But you have a child?
No child.
So is your husband allow you to be there in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now the future employers watching and listening to you, what you can say something to the future employer?
Hello, sir and ma'am. I know it's for you to select a domestic helper. I'm here applying and I promise that if you will hire me, I will promise to do all the responsibility at my best.
Okay, so physically fit now?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck.